Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this tasty homemade granola with very simple ingredients. This granola is healthy and it can be paired with some milk for breakfast or enjoyed as a snack or dessert. So let's get started. Peel one banana. In a bowl, mash the banana until you have a consistency like this. Next, add in your oats. Some raisins, chopped nuts. You can use any nuts you prefer. I'm using almonds. Next, add in your pumpkin seeds, some salt, cinnamon, and some oil. Next, stir all the ingredients together until well combined. I would like to thank all my returning subscribers for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. You guys are amazing. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Next, go ahead and pour the mixture onto a baking tray lined with a parchment paper. Spread it out a bit. Next, we will bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's golden brown and crispy. 10 to 15 minutes into the baking, stir your granola, and if you find it browning too fast, cover with a foil or a parchment paper. Remove the tray from the oven and let your granola cool completely before storing. You can store your granola in an airtight container in the fridge. This banana granola is a healthy breakfast and snack option you and your kids will enjoy. You can also enjoy your granola with some milk or yogurt. If you enjoyed this video, then check out my no oven homemade granola bar and granola playlist here. You will love them. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.